Hi, one forum news brings you the best. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. Your comment and likes will be highly appreciated. Yes, we are going to Thabo Bestest. It's very funny and very interesting. He presented himself again in court here. This time, what does he say? He filed in court, that is High Court in Pretoria, that he wants to be given the opportunity to have a laptop to himself right in prison, as well as a very good internet for him to do browsing and prepare for his main case. So he filed an urgent application to this High Court in Pretoria. But fortunately or unfortunately for him, they denied him that and just threw the case away. That is, the case was struck out completely, yes, because on the ground that it's not an urgent application. But he was in court himself, and unfortunately, he couldn't even get a lawyer again. I don't know what happened to the last lawyer that he presented in court the other day. Maybe he is handling session or a different portion of the case. This one is an urgent application, different one altogether, that he made to the Pretoria court, that is the High Court in Pretoria. But he wasn't given the chance at all to present anything, and he took offense and even accused the judge of bias as well as prejudice. He's so interested in finding that this guy is being given too much opportunity. If I say too much opportunity, every human being, once you are guilty or you are on trial, you are entitled to have someone representing you as a lawyer, not you necessarily representing yourself. But that is exactly what this guy is doing, Thabo Bester is doing, because it's the second time he's addressing the court, and he's addressing the court as if he's defending himself. Yes, he used some words here and there that is full of prejudice. The judge, the ladyship, seems to be biased towards him because she did not even take her time to listen to his case. But what case do you have to present? They said that the judge is saying that you cannot have access to any internet gadget, anything that is related to computer, phone, or even the internet. You don't have any right to that effect. Though he was making the argument that even small student, they have the opportunity to internet. But Thabo Bester, Mr. Thabo Bester, you're not a student. You are in prison and you are a convicted person. You've been convicted since 2014. This is something that I think all of us have to drum home and keep on drumming for him to know that yes, he's not just on trial, but he's someone that has been convicted already and tried for many years and convicted in 2014 as a result of murder and killing and other atrocities. So he shouldn't feel that he's always playing the victim, and it's so sad and so pathetic when it comes to those that were victims to his brutalities in the past. You were in prison and you escaped from prison. Now you're on trial for escaping from prison as a result of, allegedly, by the help of one lady by name Dr. Nandipa and the others. Yes, they were arrested with you. Yes, those are the people that were arrested with you. So for now, it's just an allegation. We are waiting for the court of competent jurisdiction. So you're asking for too much. Though you are not getting lawyers to represent you, if the time comes for you to be represented, I know very well the state is entitled to give you a lawyer. They may have given you lawyers in the past, but I know very well that the kind of person you are, you definitely say that you don't like those lawyers. Even yourself, you said it, that the lawyers that you had, some of them don't even want to represent you anymore because of the stigma associated with it. Yes, but definitely for everyone to go through the process of trial, the person must be represented by a lawyer. So don't be scared. He said that he wants to prepare to defend himself. That's why he need a laptop as well as a good internet, very good internet, right in prison. He said that even in prison, some people are entitled to that, is their right here and there. But you are a special prisoner now. Why? Because you were convicted in 2014. Yes, you were convicted for raping as well as murder. You were convicted for many years to come before you escape from jail. So once you escape from jail, the treatment that will be given to you now that you are back in jail will be different. It's not that you're being tried just for escaping, but you're already a convicted person that ran away or escaped from jail. That's why things are a bit this way. But it seems you are demanding for too much. That is how I can put it. You are demanding for too much and even presenting yourself. One sad aspect is the more that you speak, Thabo Bester, the more that Thabo Bester speaks in court, the more that he commits himself. Because let's look at this whole issue. You are calling for a laptop. Meanwhile, once upon a time, you were in prison. You even organized international conference right from prison just because you were having access to internet and mobile phone. You even celebrated your birthday right in prison. People were outside that took part in that birthday party. Yes. So based on all those precedents, all those things that you did in the past, there is no way that any charge will give you the opportunity to have access to anything called mobile phone or laptop. So all the demands that you are making, you are giving them more ideas that no, you are planning other things. Hence, they will be able to put you in jail and put you in jail very properly. Why? Because they have to make sure that you don't have the opportunity to run away again. So the judge generously granted that yes, she will allow you to have some books, some law books, in order for you to prepare. If the time comes for you to represent yourself in Bloemfontein court here and there, maybe you'll be able to do that. But this issue of you representing yourself, you may be eloquent, you may be speaking good English, but you are rather committing yourself further and further, because the more you speak, the more you can pick from it. You don't really know the things that you should say and the things that you shouldn't say. All the English or words you are using over there, you're ending up committing yourself more. Yes, that's exactly what you are doing. Nobody is trying to preach at all to the outcome will be bad. Talk less so that at least they can have sympathy and you get a good lawyer. The Rasta lawyer that you had last, maybe he can help you to present cases in court, not you trying to defend your own case. It's not possible. It's something that you can never do when it comes to the main trial. So this one, you were given the opportunity at least to express yourself by accusing the judge here and there, but the judgment have been passed that you can't have the laptop and you cannot also have the mobile phone. But all that you can have is books. Those are the things that the woman will give to you. That is the court of competent jurisdiction will grant you for you to have access to the law book so that you can prepare as you want to prepare. Because those are the things that even the jurists will use. Yes, those are so you'll be copied. You'll be given copies of those things for you to also prepare. But bear in mind that this case is very big and it's not something that you can just come and speak eloquently that you are representing yourself. There is no way that is going to help you. Try and get a very good lawyer. As you have the money here, you say that yeah, you can hire whoever that you want to hire, but the people are not ready to represent you because of the stigma associated with you. But please, we pray and hope that you get the right lawyer and at the right time, the case will be called, the trial will go on, so that the family of Katlego and those that you murdered in the past can have the conviction that yes, really, this guy is facing the punishment for his atrocities and the murder that he committed in the past. Yes, for now, Thabo Bester, you are still in the chains, and we hope and pray that one day all these things will come to an end, and this issue of Thabo Bester coming to court to address the court will be thing of the past. Dr. Nandipa, we wish you well. For now, you remain just an accomplice, but someone that is yet to be convicted. So we are treating you as all those things that they're saying about you, they are allegations until the court find you guilty of it. But we wish all of you well, and we know very well that one day justice will be served, so that the family of Katlego, as well as those that went through a lot of brutalities in your hands, I'm talking about Thabo Bester, will also get justice. Not for you to run away again to Tanzania. But I think and believe that the system of South Africa is giving too much opportunity to this guy to misbehave, because the more he talks, the more he makes a lot of people angry out there. Please, for more about issues and discussions like this, kindly subscribe to this channel. One Forum News for the best when it comes to security and crime, for the best when it comes to politics of Africa and historical antecedents. Will be here to break everything down to you and analyze everything for your understanding. Your comment and your likes, as always, will be highly appreciated. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe to this channel, One Forum News. Thank you.